to think in the same way, that is, oh, linearity means y equals to mx type, so we will be following this fashion, y1 equals to mx1, y2 equals to mx2, adding both of them and checking whether it works or not. But it works only for static system. Please be very clear about that. Only for static systems. The moment you step into the dynamic objects, you step into working with the dynamic systems, there you handle the differential equation. Differential equation means the derivative operators in some way. If it is represented in the integral form, then integral operators, they are also linear. That is fine. So you have to think in that way. So if it is derivative operator and there the first order derivative, second order derivative, here you cannot think about, okay, y1 plus y, or even the f1 plus f2, that we cannot do. So first of all, that is, you have to, I give you only the hint, you will think, if you express, suppose if I write, that is xt equals to integration 0 to t, that is I am writing in the integral form, e to the power a t minus tau d u tau d tau. From that you will be able to do it, because integral operator is linear. Differential operator is also linear, but you cannot simultaneously handle d dt and d2 dt square. That is a difficulty. Are you getting? Both integral and derivative operators are linear, that is fine, but you cannot handle together d dt and d2 dt square. That can lead to a difficulty. I am not saying this is impossible, but it can lead to a difficulty. Rather, if you express the differential equation in the integral format, then you can think about, that is, provided all the other parameters are like fixed, then one is u2, u1 and u2, then you try to add, provided the other things remain constant, remain the same. Okay? In that way you try, and then if you can't, next day I will show. But now, that is it clear? That is, Nitisha, now do you understand? That is, you also made the same mistake. That is, all of you, that is, we tend to think in that way. That is because we know that is linearity means it will satisfy the superposition and homogeneity immediately. That is, irrespective of the static or dynamic object, we tend to think y1 equals to something u1, y2 something u2, then adding up. But which is not possible in the time domain, because for a dynamic object, if the situation will like that you